Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. Many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut. Attractive ideas of hair dye and so beautiful overall ideas. I hope you like it. So beautiful collection of haircut. Some ideas: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts. Some ideas: layered, deep layered, some ideas: step, undercut, and very beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, lightly brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, and very stylish ideas of funky colors. And very attractive collection of highlights in blonde color. In burgundy color, in funky colors, and very beautiful collection of hairstyling. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyling, spiky hairstyle and messy hairstyles. And so beautiful overall collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support or help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.